Right, we've got another Bookmatch Pecan tabletop. Of course, this is another Hurricane Harvey tree. We've got about 100 of them in our yard. Hey, the one thing that I want to point out that I probably don't share with you guys that often are the certificates of authenticity. We provide an actually certificate for your folder or for framing on the wall. But this is also comes on the bottom side of any of our furniture. Of course, we personally salvage the trees, date each tree by counting the rings, and we document everything to be able to prove that fact. And this is the end result of giving some of these beautiful hardwood trees in Texas a second life. This is a 105-inch long tabletop. It's 49 inches wide at its maximum. It's done. Client's going to pick it up in the next day or two. They're providing the base, which is all good with us. So over and out.